I park by the lake with that old familiar ache. This circuit never really slept, it just learned to wait. I still feel that kid inside me, holding breath by the lake, like engines left their heat in the air that won't dissipate. I'm coming back around, same moon on the glass of the lake, same scars under my wheels, same pressure behind my chest. Potrero, little lost spooners, you still know my name. I'm here tonight because I'm scared of losing shape. The screen on my phone doesn't care if I'm still alive or late. There's a bend by the guardrail where I almost missed the shape, but that near spin reminds me I once believed in fate. I'm coming